Let us now learn about the patient status funnel chart. Since this benefit is payable to treatment supporters for both DSTB or DRTB patients, this funnel chart has three components: all patients, DSTB and DRTB patients. Let us understand the all patients chart. There are 1,591 current patients in this district who are diagnosed during the selected period and whose current treatment health facility is in the selected district. Out of this, treatment supporter has been assigned to 104 patients. The next indicator of 102 is the number of patients for whom the assigned treatment supporter is eligible to receive the incentives under the scheme. This is because the patient either has a successful treatment outcome, of cured or treatment completed, or, in case of DRTB patients, have completed 6 months of treatment and therefore, the associated treatment supporter is eligible for the end of IP incentive under the scheme. Unlike all the other schemes of NTEP, for this scheme, the benefit or incentive needs to be generated manually. The next indicator of 9 patients is the count of patients for whom treatment supporter benefit has been generated in NICSHA. The next indicator is the count of benefits paid. Since the count is 0, it means that none of the benefits have been successfully paid. The next funnel chart provides the same set of indicators specifically for the DSTB patients. Thus, out of the 1,591 current patients in this cohort, which we saw in the overview chart, 1,549 patients are on DSTB treatment. Out of this, treatment supporter has been assigned to 102 patients. All these 102 patients would have completed the treatment successfully and therefore, their treatment supporters are eligible for benefits. However, the benefit would have been generated by DBT Maker for 9 cases. The next indicator is the count of benefits paid. Since the count is 0, it means that none of the benefits have been successfully paid. Thus, the action item identified from this chart is that the DBT Maker may generate the benefits for the balance 102-9 cases so that they can be paid. Let us move on to the DRTB chart. During the selected period, 42 DRTB patients were diagnosed, whose current treatment health facility is in the selected district. Out of this, there are 2 patients to whom a treatment supporter has been assigned. Both these patients would have completed 6 months since treatment initiation and therefore, the associated treatment supporter is eligible of the end IP payment. Though the respective treatment supporters are eligible for the incentive, it has not been generated by the DBT Maker user yet. Therefore, count of paid benefits is also 0. The next indicator provides the count of DRTB patients associated with treatment supporter who are eligible for end of CP benefit. This is the incentive for cases where successful outcome has been declared, that is, cured or treatment completed. There are no such cases in this cohort. Therefore, benefits manually generated is 0 and paid is also 0.